Welcome to the Healthy Body. Dr. Alex here. What if I told you that eating just a handful of nuts each day could dramatically improve your fertility and even enhance your sexual performance? Well, that's exactly what recent research is now showing. And today, I'm breaking it down for you in a simple, practical way. Let's get into it. In 2024, researchers conducted a large meta-analysis. That's essentially a super study that combines data from multiple clinical trials to get a clearer picture of how one thing, daily nut consumption, impacts fertility. They analyzed 4 high-quality studies involving more than 800 men and women between the ages of 18 and 49. 2 of those studies specifically focused on men, and the results were pretty amazing. Men who ate nuts every single day for 3 months showed significant improvements in their sperm health. Sperm motility, that is, how well sperm can swim, increased by 51%. Sperm morphology, the shape and structure, improved by 54%. And sperm vitality, how alive and active the sperm are, jumped by 61%. These changes didn't require medication or expensive treatments. All they did was eat about 60 to 75 grams of nuts daily. In one study, it was just walnuts. In another, it was a mix of walnuts, almonds, and hazelnuts. So, why do nuts have such a powerful impact? Well, first of all, they're packed with healthy fats like omega-3s and monounsaturated fats, which support hormone production and sperm development. They're also rich in antioxidants, compounds that protect your reproductive cells from oxidative stress, which is a major factor in fertility issues. On top of that, nuts contain essential nutrients like zinc, vitamin E, selenium, and folate, all of which play key roles in both male and female reproductive health. Another thing to keep in mind, nuts have a low glycemic index. That means they help stabilize blood sugar levels, which is important because high blood sugar and insulin resistance can negatively affect fertility in both men and women. Now, let's talk about another major benefit, erections. Yes, nuts can help with that. 2. You see, nuts are naturally high in an amino acid called arginine. Arginine is the building block of nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes blood vessels and improves blood flow, which is absolutely essential for getting and maintaining an erection. Nuts also help keep your blood vessels healthy by protecting the cells that line your arteries, called endothelial cells. In one small study, 17 men ate 100 grams of pistachios daily for just 3 weeks. By the end of the study, they reported noticeable improvements in erectile function. And this wasn't just self-reported. Doctors actually measured better blood flow in their penises using Doppler ultrasound. Another study took 83 men and divided them into 2 groups. One group ate 60 grams of mixed nuts daily, and the other avoided nuts altogether. After 14 weeks, the nut-eating group had better orgasm quality, stronger desire, and improved sexual satisfaction. Now, if you're wondering how to add this into your life, here's how. Eat around 60 to 75 grams of nuts per day. Stick to raw or dry roasted options. Avoid salted or sugar-coated nuts. Use a mix of walnuts, pistachios, almonds, and hazelnuts for variety. You can eat them as a snack, add them to oatmeal or salads, or blend them into smoothies. The key is consistency. But let me be clear, nuts aren't a magic fix. They work best as part of a bigger lifestyle approach. If you really want to improve fertility, energy, and sexual performance, you need to focus on 4 main pillars. Eat a clean, balanced diet. Exercise regularly. Get enough high-quality sleep. And reduce stress as much as possible. Without these 4 foundational habits, no food or supplement is going to work long-term. So what's the bottom line? Nuts are a simple, natural, and science-backed way to support reproductive and sexual health. They're affordable, easy to find, and full of the nutrients your body needs to function at its best. If you found this helpful, go ahead and subscribe to The Healthy Body. Tap the notification bell so you never miss a new video. I'm Dr. Alex. Thanks for watching, and as always, take care of your body. It's the only one you've got.